Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check word and character count in any Canva design. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Canva. So this is my PDF actually, but you can see it is design. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so let me check this text box count. Okay, there is a two method. First method, you can ask for Canva AI. Just select the text box or ask for Canva and ask the how many word and character in this text box. So it will be take time, but it will be give the right answer. So it will be thinking and give the response. The another option you can use, go to the Google and search for word counter, and here you can, I personally use this was or this one. This is a very good source. Okay, just open it and now just double click on this text box, copy it and paste that text here. You can see the exact word count and characters count here. So we have 36 words and 231 characters. So let me check. Here you can see 36 and 230 character including space. Okay, so this is a Canva reply. This is a we have check on outside. Okay, so this is a two method you can use, but so till now there is no any option in Canva, inbuilt option that you can directly check. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.